Okay, so this is what I call a full frontal come through Asteria. That full frontal, love this. All this parting space, and it's 26 inches, I believe. Everything will be linked down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and pluck this hairline a little bit, and then we'll get into the installation. Okay, so I just got done plucking it and we're gonna install it now. Hopefully it fits. So I'm just really excited that it has this full frontal. Like, you don't see this anymore in 2023 with wig companies. You don't see this. This is a rare sight to see in 2023 with these wig companies. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on it. It has an elastic band already attached. Okay, so it's still, even though I have the extra airspace, it still does that thing where it goes back, which is what I struggle with oh my gosh, I'm getting tongue tied. This is what I struggle with like wig companies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut right here, just a little slit, like about right here on each side, like that, just a little slit right there. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to get this side over, unfortunately, without having to cut more of the frontal off, which I'm not sure if I want to do because I might just end up reselling this. So for now, we're going to keep it like this, and we're just going to cut the lace off. Okay, so since the wig ended up not fitting me all the way, I'm gonna have to finesse it and style it in a way that still looks cute. So for my big head girls, it has failed us again. I don't know if it's that my head is big. Well, yeah, I know I have a big head, but I don't know if it's that or if my head's just long, because it's always just this part that it just goes back and never goes in front of my edges, because it's like the wig fits me, like the cap fits me all the way. It's just the frontal part. I don't know what that's about. Like, I don't know. And I don't know, maybe my hairline's a little too low and far down, because I don't have a big forehead, so I don't know. I have no idea. So here is the final look. I had high hopes that the frontal was gonna fit me because it was just so much space, but you know, you saw me struggle with the ear tabs, and this side is just not laid at all. But yeah, this is the amount of parting space that I'm getting, which is amazing. I love 13x6 frontals because of the parting space. I don't really like 13x4. I settle for it sometimes, but no. See, like even right here, like I couldn't even really get this part covered of my hair, but my sideburns do go down kind of low, so that could be it as well. But here's the hair, 26 inches, 180% density right here, like on the top of my hip. I am 5'9", so that's pretty good. Sorry, I ain't got no clothes on. I had to take off the hoodie so you guys can see the hair, because black on black just don't do. But it's 180% density. It has body, super soft, very easy to work with. I usually like Asteria. I like their straight hair. So yeah, it came in this bag, and it came with a melting band and a wig cap, and then just some other stuff, edge comb, and another elastic band. So yeah, other than the wig not fitting me, I have no complaints about this. Do your research on this wig before purchasing it. Go look at more reviews, but based on what was sent to me, I do like this wig. My big head girls, be like cautious when purchasing. If you want to get this, I'd suggest either getting a closure wig for their straight hair. Get a closure wig because that will fit you better than this, or if you know how to reconstruct a frontal on a wig, then you can just go ahead and get this and just reconstruct it. But it might fit you. Everyone's head's different. I have thick hair as well, and it's not super flat, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, the ends are pretty full. I did not have to cut them. I usually have to cut the ends on straight units because I like a little bit more blunt. But this is fine. Like, I didn't have to cut it at all. The ends were perfect. Hair is really soft. I just love it. It's really cute. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Giving you a nice little side part action. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.